Building real wealth isn't about shortcuts or luck. It's about mastering proven habits and practical money skills. Just look at Warren Buffett. His fortune was built step by step, with discipline, patience, and a deep understanding of money. The best part? Anyone can learn these skills, no matter your background or starting point. Today, we're diving into Buffett's playbook, 21 money skills that can transform your financial life. Start small, pick 1 or 2 skills to focus on this week, and review your progress each month. Ready to begin? Let's jump into the first skill and start your journey to financial freedom. Developing financial literacy is the foundation of smart money management. It means understanding how money works, budgeting, saving, investing, and managing debt. Start by reading about personal finance, following financial news, and practicing with a budget. The more you know, the better your financial decisions will be. Living below your means is one of Warren Buffett's core money principles. It's about spending less than you earn, no matter how much your income grows. Instead of upgrading your lifestyle with every raise, try strategies like setting a strict budget, automating your savings, and distinguishing between wants and needs. Buffett himself still lives in the same house he bought in 1958 and drives a regular car, proving that wealth isn't about flashy spending. By consistently living below your means, you'll build a financial cushion, reduce stress, and set yourself up for long-term wealth and freedom. Saving consistently is key for long-term financial success. It's not about how much you save, but making it a habit. Set up automatic transfers right after payday, pay yourself first, and avoid temptation. Start early, save every month, and watch your savings grow. Warren Buffett says the best investment is in yourself. He spends much of his day reading and learning. Start with classics like The Intelligent Investor and use online courses and podcasts to grow your knowledge. As Buffett says, the more you learn, the more you earn. Make learning a daily habit. Compounding is often called the 8th wonder of the world. Like planting a seed that grows into a forest, your money can multiply over time. Invest $1,000 at 10%. It becomes $100, then $1,210. Over decades, this snowball effect can turn small savings into real wealth. Warren Buffett credits compounding for his fortune. Reinvest your earnings and give them time to grow. Warren Buffett always emphasizes the importance of knowing your circle of competence. This means focusing on areas where you have genuine knowledge and experience. To identify your own circle, start by listing your strengths, interests, and the industries you understand best. Be honest about what you don't know. There's no shame in admitting it. Only make decisions and investments in areas where you feel confident. If something is outside your expertise, it's wise to say, "I don't know," and move on. By staying within your circle of competence, you reduce risk and make smarter, more informed choices. High-interest debt destroys wealth. Avoid it at all costs. Interest piles up fast, making it hard to pay off what you owe. Credit cards and payday loans trap you in a cycle where most payments go to interest, not the principal. Always pay your balance in full, and build an emergency fund to avoid expensive debt. Credit cards are powerful tools, if used responsibly. Always pay your balance in full to build credit and avoid interest. Use credit for convenience and rewards, not to buy what you can't afford. Treat credit as a tool, not extra income, and you'll build financial security. Warren Buffett's core philosophy is simple: invest for the long term. He buys great companies and holds them for years, even decades. Buffett's patience, holding stocks like Coca-Cola for decades, lets value compound. Time smooths out volatility and harnesses compounding returns. Remember, wealth is built by spending time in the market, not by timing it. Diversifying smartly means spreading your investments across different assets and industries. This helps reduce risk. If one investment struggles, others can balance it out. Warren Buffett warns, don't put all your eggs in one basket, but don't over-diversify either. Focus on a mix that matches your goals, and only invest in what you understand. Warren Buffett says to buy quality businesses, those with proven success, strong leadership, and trusted brands. Look for companies with a durable advantage, steady profits, and loyal customers. Study their financials and leadership. Invest in businesses you understand and trust. Tracking your money every month is a habit that can transform your financial life. Use tools like budgeting apps, spreadsheets, or even a notebook to record your income and expenses. Set a reminder to review your finances at the end of each month. Look for patterns in your spending, spot unnecessary expenses, and make adjustments as needed. Regular tracking builds powerful financial awareness, helps you stay on budget, and brings you closer to your goals. When you create a budget, focus on what you want to achieve, like buying your dream home, traveling, or retiring early. Your budget should be a roadmap to your goals, not a list of things you can't do. Start by writing down your top financial goals. Break them into smaller, actionable steps, like saving a set amount each month. Use tools like goal-based envelopes or digital trackers to keep your progress visible and motivating. Remember, budgeting isn't about punishing yourself for spending. It's about making conscious choices that move you closer to what matters most. Celebrate your progress and adjust your plan as your goals evolve. Reading annual reports and letters to shareholders is a key habit of Warren Buffett. These documents reveal a company's financial health and management's thinking. Start with the CEO's letter for honest insights, then review financial statements for trends in revenue, profit, and debt. By reading carefully, you'll spot insights most investors miss. Trying to time the market, buying before prices rise and selling before they fall, might sound tempting, but it's extremely risky. Even professional investors rarely get it right consistently. Instead, focus on staying invested for the long term. By riding out the market's ups and downs, you're more likely to see steady growth over time. Remember, patience and consistency often beat trying to predict the next big move. Warren Buffett recommends low-cost S&P 500 index funds as a smart, simple way to build wealth. You own a piece of hundreds of top companies, spreading risk and keeping fees low. Just open a brokerage account, search for an S&P 500 index fund, and start investing. Even small amounts add up. Buffett says most investors should stick with index funds to benefit from long-term market growth. Time is your greatest asset. Start investing as soon as possible, even with small amounts. For example, if you invest just $100 a month starting at age 18 and earn an average 7% annual return, you could have over $250,000 by age 60. But if you wait until age 30 to start, you'd end up with less than half that amount, even if you invest the same each month. The earlier you start, the more your money can grow through the power of compounding. Don't wait for the perfect time. Start now, and let time work for you. Automating your savings and investments is one of the smartest financial moves you can make. Set up scheduled transfers every payday, before you even see the money. This set-it-and-forget-it approach helps you build wealth steadily, almost effortlessly. Relying on one paycheck is risky. Warren Buffett suggests building multiple income streams for security. Try side hustles like freelancing, selling online, or gig work to supplement your income. Invest in rental properties or dividend-paying stocks for steady passive income. List your skills, research options, and take small steps. Over time, you'll build financial freedom. Wealth isn't luck. It's built through discipline, learning, and consistent effort. Your mindset is the foundation of your financial destiny. The way you think about money, challenges, and setbacks determines your long-term success. Building wealth requires strong habits, like budgeting, saving, and investing regularly. But it also demands resilience, the ability to keep going when things get tough, to learn from mistakes, and to adapt. Remember, a positive, growth-oriented mindset, combined with good habits and resilience, will take you much further than luck ever could. Most people set financial goals, like saving or paying off debt. But Warren Buffett knows real success comes from building systems that make those goals inevitable. Systems create routines that support your finances every day. Focus on habits and processes, not just willpower, to achieve lasting results. You've just learned 21 money skills from Warren Buffett's playbook, habits that shape great investors. Wealth isn't reserved for a select few. It's built by ordinary people who take consistent action. So here's your challenge. Don't just watch, take action. Pick 1 or 2 skills to start this week. Maybe automating savings or tracking expenses. The sooner you begin, the faster you'll see results. Every small step adds up. You have the tools. Now it's your turn. Thanks for watching.